also, the people I collaborated with are so creative. They're so good at what they do. So maraming salamat po. To everyone who worked on this album with me, you guys are just amazing. Salamat.
Yes, proud na si Darren of himself. But of course, all of us, proud na kay Darren, diba guys?
Thank you po.
Yeah, kasi ikaw yung may anniversary, dapat kami yung nagbibigay ng gift sa'yo. Pero ikaw nagbigay ng gift sa amin.
Thanks, DJ Sam.
The album. So guys, once again, make sure to stream and of course share. Ikaw pa rin now available on your favorite digital streaming platforms. But, like I said, you know, it's been an amazing 11 years. Grabe 11 years na.
Yes.
In the industry. And you've shared so much of yourself with everybody. But, now, it is time for us to give back to you. Kaya ka nakaupo? Ano ka ba? Kaya ka nakaupo kasi may surprise kami.
Di ba yun yung music video? Ay, sorry.
Wala pa! Madami tayong surprise today. Madami tayong surprise today because the Darren Natics actually have a surprise for you. So, let's all watch this. To give you a special gift today. So let's give her a round of applause, everybody. Wow naman, yung gifts. Welcome! This is Vita of Darren Natics.
Ayan, Vita, maraming salamat po. Ay, okay.
Oh, happy 11 years. Quick picture, smile.
Sige, nasaan yung picture?
There, picture. Oh, man. Number in is number 2 on iTunes Albums Chart. And all 13 songs have charted on iTunes Albums. Grabe, all songs. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day.
Salamat po, Mom.
And we have one more message from someone very special. Of course, we have Mr. Jonathan Manalo here. Dami mong kwento kanina, about Sir John. Ngayon na.
Sir John po ang naka-witness lang.
His side of the story, Emma. Okay, yes.
Darren, on behalf of your ABS-CBN Music family, your Star Music family, we'd like to congratulate you.
Thank you, Sir John.
On
Salamat
this beautiful
po.
album, sobrang talaga kami proud kasi kagabi pinapakinggan ko yung album na na-release na siya. Nakakamiss makinig ng solo pop superstar album na nakikita kung ano yung pwede niyang gawin. Lahat ng kaya mong gawin nandun, Darren.
Thank you.
Simula sa bibitaw na, tapos hanggang kailan, tapos yung mga mid-tempo songs, tapos merong ballads. Lahat kaya mong gawin. And then, nandito rin napakita natin ng songwriter era mo.
Opo, maraming salamat po.
You've written a lot of beautiful songs in the album and sobra kaming na-proud na nakita namin yung growth mo na yan and na-showcase natin lahat yan sa album mo na talagang worth the wait and sobrang napaproud kaming lahat sa ABS-CBN Music at sa Star Music na ma-present namin si Darren to the world. And again, congratulations.
Thank you, Sir John. Salamat po.
Congratulations.
Sa
mga lang sa palagpakan kay Darren.
Thank you, Sir John. Kasama ko po ito nagpupuyat. Grabe ko magpuyat para sa album na to, Sir John.
Yung kanta nga na ginawa ninyo ni Angela.
Yes.
Ano yun? Nirecord namin yun. Flight ko na. Nagre-record kami. Nilipad na ako sa
US.
Opo. Nung madaling araw nun. Pero it's worth doing it. It's worth
Salamat
doing
po.
it. It's worth doing
Thank
it.
you, Sir John.
This album is really worth the wait from Bibitaw na up to this time. Binilang ko 3 years in the making.
3 years in the making.
And pag pinakinggan mo naman talaga, talagang the best talaga.
Thank you po.
I'm so proud. Shout out din kay DJ MOD for the beautiful songs na binigyan niya dito sa album natin.
Salamat
po.
Thank you po.
Kumusta naman?
I'm so happy kasi this is the first time I worked with Yumi Us Manila on a music video. We've worked with projects before, pero first time sa music video. So I'm so glad with how it turned out, even though it was very last minute kasi nalaman namin na hindi papasok sa schedule kasi 1 month din akong wala because of our tour in the US, tas may konting bakasyon sa Canada. So we had to shoot it before I flew para sakto pagdating ko dito ready na siya. So we pulled it off, I'd say, pretty well. And I'm so happy with how everything turned out. And shout out to Ashley Del Mundo as well. Kasi kahit last minute, she was game to do it. She was there. And she's always so easy to work with. One of my good friends as well in showbiz. Yeah.
Grabe feeling ko ongoing theme yung last minute, no? Parang,
Yes, for this album.
Grabe yung nagagawa ni Darren pag last minute. Grabe. And we're so excited for this music video. So if you could describe the 3 words, how would you describe it?
This music video, I'd say it's vibey because of the way the song was made by DJ MOD, and also it's danceable kasi kasama ko dito yung Maneuvers Ignite as well, choreographed by Coach Josh. And what else? It's very retro themed. So ayun, in 3 words, it's vibey, danceable, retro.
Oh, so guys, ready na ba kayo?
From PBB, from ASAP, thank you guys so much. Pwede na kayong umuwi. Tapos na po. Maraming salamat.
Gusto ni Robbie, Robbie wants to know more about the music.
Wow! Maraming salamat.
Grabe, but now we're actually going to have some questions from our media friends, Darren. So please do take a seat with us here, and I will be calling on our media friends to ask their questions. Somebody will come to you with a mic. So ready ka na ba, Darren?
All right,
questions.
let's go.
Okay. Let's start off with Miss Jacqueline Ortega from...
4'11" lang ako nung The Boy States. Ngayon 6 feet na. Pero literal na growth. No, but I mean, in terms of musicality ko po, mas hindi na ako takot mag-experiment. Ayun, I'm more verbal with what I want with my team. Dati parang oo lang po ako ng oo sa mga demo na binibigay pag mga album ko. But now I'm more hands-on. And also, masasabi kong perfectionist po talaga ako eh. Lalo na in this aspect when it comes to performing and also my music. I'd say I'm really a perfectionist. Kaya parang isa rin yun sa mga masasabi kong growth in the industry as well. And what else? I guess I've learned to grow with the industry, if that makes sense. Kasi parang ang dami kong adjustments, especially from being such an introvert as a guy from Canada. Ngayon, I know how to host na nga ako ng Showtime ngayon. So, lumalabas yung personality ko lalo. So, that's some of the things I worked on with myself, and I'd say that's also part of my growth din. So, yun po.
Congrats, and...
Hindi rin po namin namalayan na ang dami ng taon na nakalipas. We didn't intentionally mean to make it this long before I released another album. But throughout the years since my last album in 2017, ang dami rin po kasing naging special projects like for Disney and also for ASEAN and stuff like that I didn't even know that I should be making my original music din. I should be releasing an album and stuff like that. Na parang nakontento na rin po ako siguro sa mga live performances na ginagawa ko on TV as well, like on ASAP and stuff like that. And parang when I became part of the Star Music family, that was one of their first goals, was to release an album with me. Kaya yun, nabigyan na ng pansin yung album, and it's finally here. And I'm just so happy with how it turned out. I didn't even realize it's been 8 years. Akala ko po 5 lang, mga ganun. Tapos pagka-check ko sa discography ko, 2017 pa pala yung huli. So, maririnig nyo rin yung difference ng boses ko from 2017, where I was just 16 years old, and now I'm 24. So, yeah. Crazy! Opo. And anything po talaga, there's so many different ways I get inspiration. It can be, minsan may kwento lang yung mga kaibigan ko, sinusulat ko na yung experience nila na ganun, or something I also saw in a movie or a TV show. It can also be from personal experiences. So, kung titignan nyo po yung album, yung mga sinulat ko, ano sila eh, they don't coincide with one another. Bibitaw na, tapos yung next na nirelease ko, Iyo, which is a love song, tapos nag-release ako ng parang breakup song ulit, yung Hanggang Kailan. So, it's really different topics and different genres, and I feel like that's also a way for me to explore my musicality as well. So parang I don't want to stick to just one genre or just one theme. So yun po yung creative process ko. And when I write songs, magkasabay na po yung lyrics tsaka melody na nire-record ko sa phone ko na naka-demo, tapos pinapasa ko na lang kay Sir Jonathan, and then ayun, he gets it arranged, and we get to the studio, and that's pretty much how we do our songs, how we record the ones that I wrote po. Tapos yung mga iba naman na nasa album, they came from demos. And I'm very lucky to be able to work with such talented artists like Kuya Tyro, DJ MOD, and all of the other songwriters, si Sir Jonathan as well. So, yeah, ayun po yung creative process namin. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sir Julian.
Who didn't want to sing his original songs, yung parang pag iimbitahan ako for a corporate event or a mall show, yung puro covers yung kinakanta ko kasi feeling ko parang, dito mas mag-e-enjoy yung tao, mas makaka-relate yung tao dito, not knowing na dapat, as an artist, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo na you should be singing your own songs. Yun din yung isa sa mga sinabi sa akin ng mga, nung nakausap ko sina Sir Jonathan, sina Mama Rench, yung parang mag-release ka lang ng mag-release. Si Ate Sara nagsabi din sa akin na parang, hindi ka ba nagsusulat? Sabi ko, tinatry ko po. Sabi niya, pero may na-release ka na. Sabi ko, parang ayokong gawin. Pero yeah, yung si Ate Sara din yung isa sa nagsabi na, just keep releasing songs. Si Ate Sara Geronimo, my coach from The Voice Kids, because she said, just keep on producing content, producing stuff that you like. So, isa siya sa mga naging inspirations ko sa pagsulat din. Kasi, oo nga no, like as an artist, dapat gumagawa ka ng sarili mong kanta, nagpo-produce ka ng sarili mong music and content and stuff like that. So, now I have that in my mind na parang kahit sa mga mall shows and also corporate events, I try to sing a few original songs as well as some covers as well kahit sa mga concerts ko. So hopefully one day, you know, I can do a concert na kahit 80% original songs, no, or even more than. So yeah, it's a goal of mine. Pero now I am on the road to that. Yung singing more of my original songs sa mga performances.
Yes! Diba Darrenatics, kaya ni Darren yan? Manifest natin from this day. Mark nyo na sa calendar ninyo.
Wow!
Ayan. Okay, so our next question is coming from Alan Sancon from Stars Photog. Alan, are you here? Oh, there! Hello Alan!
Congratulations Darren sa iyong album.
Salamat po.
So, nagulat na kami ngayon na kami naka-attend ng album launch na yung mga celebrity friends mo is here. Yung meron pa lang related to that, ano ka bilang kaibigan? Why they are so supportive with you? Especially on this milestone of your career, yung album launch mo.
Malayo ko naman magyabang. Wow, pero hindi kasi sinasabi rin po nila na I don't know, reliable daw ako na kaibigan. Yung parang, I show up for my friends, I show up for people. Yes! Nag-a-agree sila. Maraming salamat. Nag-a-agree sila. Pero ayun, like parang, I've learned to put my energy into people who also reciprocate the energy I give them. So, ayun, yung mga taong nakita nyo dito, sila yung iba sa ilan sa mga day one ko, sila yung talagang, yung iba dyan, The Voice Kids pa lang, like Kuya Robbie, sina Enchong, they've been so supportive ever since The Voice Kids, and until now, they're still here sa album launch ko. So, I'm really blessed to have friends that I can also call my family. So, ayun, what else? Siguro dahil galante din ako. Wow! Wow, Nax! Sa akin nang galing. Galante rin. Pero, yun, siguro na gigilty sila. Parang sige na nga, pumunta na tayo sa album. Libre siya ng libre, tapos di tayo pupunta. So, yun. What else? Yeah, I'd say, as a friend, I'm pretty reliable. Yun po.
Nagulat din kami na sa album launch mo, nagulat din kami na ang dami pala mga Darrenatics, hindi pa rin
Yes!
So, ano pa naman bilang mga idols sa kanila? Bakit ganun kanila ka-supportive all over the world?
Hindi ko rin po alam. I honestly can't thank the Darrenatics enough kasi sila po talaga yung sumuporta since The Voice Kids. Kung wala sila, wala rin ako dito kasi sila yung unang naniwala sa akin sa industriyang ito. Hindi man ako nanalo sa The Voice Kids, pero andyan pa rin sila supporting and believing in me. Until today, alam mo yung hindi ko alam kung paano kayo papasalamatan, and I just love you guys so much. And thank you for being part of this journey for the past 11 years. May mga nakilala ko na may mga nakilala ko na iba't ibang era sila pumasok sa Darrenatics fandom. Merong mga recently lang during the pandemic, merong mga iba since The Voice Kids pa. So, maraming salamat for growing up with me as well. 11 years, hindi yung biro. Yung iba dito na, I love you too! Yung iba dito nakilala ko, mga estudyante pa sila. Oo, yung iba dito, single pa sila noon. Ngayon yung iba, oo. Ngayon yung nakagraduate na yung karamihan, may mga love life na, gano'n. So, Darrenatics yung mga taong, I'd say I grew up with, I'm growing old with as well. Yun.
Last na lang, Darren, about your album. Itong ikaw pa rin, di ba? Isa sa mga talagang sumikat itong yung eviction night mo song na paalam muna sandali, di ba? So, in-expect mo bang ganun ka magiging masikat yun? At nakakagulat na yung best friend mo pa yung unang na-evict, di ba?
Yes!
Si Isip pa yung unang na-evict at yung unang inali mo kanta para sa kanya.
Kaya talagang minadali ko pong i-record kasi sabi ko, ay parang siya talaga. Hindi, joke lang. Pero, hindi po namin in-expect na magiging ganun yung reception ng tao sa Paalam Muna Sandali because parang namimili na dapat sina Direk Lawrence sa ibang mga original songs ni Sir Jonathan para gawing eviction song. Pero Sir Jonathan pitched this song na ginawa niya, Paalam Muna Sandali, and he wanted me to interpret it. Tsaka sinabi ko na, Sir John, baka hindi po talaga umabot. Pwedeng ibang artist na lang yung pakantahin yun and stuff like that. But he really waited for me, which I'm so grateful for Sir John. Maraming salamat. Talagang inintay niya akong makalapag. Kahit dumiretso ako galing na Iyad, it was all worth it. And I'm glad that it turned out to be the way that it is now with the reception of all the viewers of PBB. And ewan natin, baka bukas marinig ulit natin sa big night. So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Congratulations. Nakita rin namin yung grow mo since day one ng The Voice.
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Sir Alan, for your questions. Now we have